What's up, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today I'm back with another tech review. In my endeavor to find a proper stand for my MacBook Pro, I've used a few. Haven't really done any reviews until this one, because this one is the first one that I really been interested in. This is a quarter. This is Magic Stand. This Magic Stand is just as thin as this quarter. As you can see, I'm going to get really close. Right there, just as thin as this quarter. Now, this is a stand that allows you to adjust your MacBook Pro into 6 different standing positions. And this is going to help with your posture, as well as give you some comfort when typing and trying to view videos. Now, how does this thing work? First thing we're going to do is we're going to have to get it installed. So I'm going to get it on my MacBook Pro. This is the 13-inch. It will also work for the 15-inch, but we're going to put it on 13-inch and we're going to see how it works. Let's check it out. Here is my MacBook Pro. Now it's going to be put on the bottom back here. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to lay it down flat. And I'm going to show you the packaging that it comes in. So Magic Stand comes in this packaging. It's folded up. Looks just like this. This is what it's going to help with. See, this is normally how you sit and look at a computer. But Magic Stand is going to adjust your position so that you don't have to hunch over and hurt your back. Now, it comes with a few things in here. Let's see. We got alcohol pad because we have to clean the back. It comes with these little rubberized feet, these grips. So we're going to put these on a little later on. I'm going to take the longer ones out because those are probably the only ones I'll need. But let's go ahead and get this whole process started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take that alcohol pad that came in and we're going to clean the back surface of the MacBook Pro, just like so. Getting rid of any debris from this whole area right here. The Magic Stand already has an adhesive on it. All right, so now we're going to sit this down. And you notice right up here where your writing is. I'm going to take this and we're going to peel this tape off the back of our Magic Stand. And then I'm going to place it on, logo facing upward, right here in between the dots. Make sure it's nice and level. Okay. There we go. Press it down. There we have it. Your Magic Stand is installed. Now this is going to be able to go in your case. If you still have a case that you want to use, you're going to be able to use this because it's so thin. Remember, I compared it to a quarter, and this is a leather case that I picked up. This is branded by Mujo. I'm going to just undo this. Nice little leather case that they got me. I'm going to place it in here. And you notice it's no extra bulk added. You can't even tell it's on the MacBook Pro. So like I said, this works with the MacBook Pro 13-inch as well as the 15. You're going to always install it right up here along this black line, right on the back. This is the back. Right up by where the writing is. You're going to place it right there. As thin as a quarter. Can't get much thinner than that. You see it? Right there. Thin as a quarter. Now let's talk about the different positions. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to lift up. That gives you one position. Okay. And then once you get in here, you can go 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I actually pulled it twice on one of them. But you have 6 different angles. You're going to be able to stand your computer up just like that. When you get ready to close it, these little clips on the sides, you're going to squeeze in, press in, squeeze in, and it folds right back down with ease. Now, I'm going to drop this to the table and show you how it looks when we actually stand up. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stand it up into that first position. So you take it and you pull it back right there. And you get a MacBook Pro that's going to be easy on the eyes. It's going to be easy on the shoulders. All the way around, it's going to be a little bit of better, more comfortable experience. If you want to type, you get an ease of typing while you're sitting straight up. Now, for entertainment, remember, you got 6 different ways you can stand this up. Now you're going to get a little higher. And if you're in the bed at night, you're going to be sitting straight up, looking directly at it. You're not going to have to be hunched over, looking at the screen. Everything is going to be right there at eye level. Stands up just like that. And then once you get finished with it, close your computer back. Clip this, push in, clip this, it falls in, goes right back, thin as ever, on the back of your MacBook Pro. So once again, this has been a quick review of Magic Stand. I do recommend this product. It is really, really convenient. And remember those little grooves that we talked about? You may need to use them, you may not. They're just 3M stickers, and they're going to give you some extra grip right down here. Now, I was going to put them on, but I'm not. My computer seems to be doing well on the surfaces. It's not sliding that much. But if your computer is having issues sliding, and these don't only work with MacBooks, they also work with PCs. But if your computer is sliding a lot, you're going to want to use these 3M grips. They're little rubberized grips. You have 2 different kinds, ones that look like these and ones that are just circular like these right here. But I think for the MacBook, these should do a good job. So hope this is able to help someone. I'm going to drop a link below so you can go check these out in the description. These run you about $50. I think it's well worth the investment if you're looking for a stand that is going to be as thin as this one and is going to give you that comfort in your posture and going to help you sit straight up when doing work or doing entertainment. So hope this is able to help someone. Until next time, give me that thumbs up. Please be sure and subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.